Natural Disasters on Event channel, you are welcome. If you enjoy the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Thank you for your support, and remember, you're awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, Tropical Storm John has unleashed its deadly force on Mexico's southern coast, leaving behind devastation and heartbreak. Two lives were tragically lost in a landslide after the storm made landfall Monday night, slamming into the Guerrero coast with 120 miles per hour winds. John's violent arrival triggered life-threatening floods and dangerous landslides, with heavy rainfall pounding the region. Homes and roads were swept away, leaving entire communities cut off and vulnerable. Though the storm has weakened to a tropical storm, its threat is far from over. As it crawls northwest past Acapulco, the slow movement and interaction with nearby mountains are contributing to catastrophic rainfall, posing a serious risk of further floods and landslides across southern Mexico. In the town of Tlacoachistlahuaca, 2 people perished when their home was buried by a landslide. Governor Evelyn Salgado Pineda has urged residents to take all possible precautions as this disaster continues to unfold. John underwent rapid intensification, tripling its wind speed in just 24 hours. Now, meteorologists warn that John could re-emerge and re-intensify, keeping southern Mexico under imminent danger of flash floods and deadly conditions. The National Hurricane Center calls this a serious and unpredictable situation. Stay informed, heed warnings, and take all steps to stay safe. This storm is not over. Subscribe now for the latest updates on this deadly storm.